Hi there, thanks for joining me. I just wanted to show you around the pages and menu page of the Aplos website builder, just to show you how to use it, what you can do, all that good stuff. So you'll get there by clicking Marketing, Web Builder, Pages and Menu. If you haven't already gone through the 5-step web builder tool that we have, then when you land in that page, it will pop up with this for you to go through. And in 5 easy steps, you can create kind of a template of your website. It lets you create your site name, add a color scheme, a home page, and then what web pages you want as content. If you don't want to do this, just click exit and it'll land you back on the pages and menu page where you can just build pages manually. But this is super fast. It gives you a good template to start with and probably takes 3 minutes or less. So all right, clicking back to if I had already finished that or if I had exited out. So this is something, a page, a website that I've started building. I used that 5-step builder and then edited from there. So just to show you around what you can do from this page, we'll start here by clicking this green plus button. You can add new pages to your menu, so create a new web page. You can add a new section to the menu, which a section will be this yellow, it goes away when I hover over it. The yellow Our Team is a section. So you see I have Our Team and then I have sub pages under it for our staff and our volunteers. So that is a section. Our Team is a section. I can also link an internal or external URL. So these blue highlighted pages, 14th Annual Golf Fundraiser and a donate page, are pages that I have created. This I've created with the Aplos event registration form, and I've linked it here. And then I've created an Aplos donation page that I've linked. So I created those pages in those different tool options, and I've linked them to my website. So super easy. All you have to do is click the add link and enter that external URL, which creates this page. So easy as that, super easy. So you can also change your home page. So if you wanted to change it to one of your other pages in your menu, you can always do that by clicking that down menu. You'll see here that I have pages not in menu. So these were pages that were in my menu that I clicked these 3 dots and clicked remove from menu. So it doesn't delete the page. It also doesn't inactivate the page. So if someone has the URL to that page specifically, they can still get there. It just won't be in the menu of your website to access from going to your website directly. You can always add those pages back to your menu if you wanted to. So you just click add to menu and it'll pop it back up here. A couple other things you can do. These 3 lines, you can drag and drop your pages to change the order. So I can move it anywhere here. I can move these sub pages as well if I wanted to do that, just by dragging and dropping those there. In this pages not in menu section, I can still view or edit these. I can also click these 3 lines and delete a page. So what this will do is it's going to totally delete the page. The page won't exist anymore. There is no way to bring the page back. It's deleted. So you can do that here by clicking delete page. You can also edit any of your pages. So we have a resource that goes into more detail on what specifically editing a page can do and the different options there. So you can edit by clicking this edit button. It'll take you into that page to change it around. These 3 dots over here on pages that are in your menu, you can rename those pages. So what it will do is change this name here, which this is what is viewed in the menu for that page. So if I change this to something else, it will view as something else on my menu of my website. I can remove it from the menu, which moves it down in this section. I can grab the page link. So if I wanted to email the link out to somebody, I have that option. I can view any unpublished versions. So basically, as you create your or edit your page, create a page, you have the option to either save and publish it or save it without publishing. If you save without publishing, you're basically saving your progress, but you're not making it live for someone if they had the URL that they could see the updates that you're making. So I can view these updated unpublished versions and publish them. So that's what this gives. And then this shortcut option allows you to edit what is after the URL of your website. So my website is mynonprofit.aplos.org. And this page, the shortcut is contact. So when you first create a page, we'll default it to something like page 527 or something like that. And you can edit it to kind of make it a little bit simpler. That way, when you share, if you ever get the URL to share the page, you're sharing mynonprofit.aplos.org/contact instead of mynonprofit.aplos.org/page 517. So just makes it a little more unique for your website. Also, it does boost your SEO a bit. So your search engine optimization. If somebody were to go search your nonprofit or your church, then they would potentially get a better return. So that is how you can edit your shortcut. So that's our pages and menu page. There's a lot you can do there. We have other resources that you should definitely check out on going through the 5-step just starting point, and then also what you can do when you edit each page. There's other resources too, so check those out to learn more about how you can utilize the website builder in Aplos to create your site and just extend the reach of your church or nonprofit.